In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Dropship Spy and Thieve. If you're running any type of e-commerce business, whether it's dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and also being able to learn from your competitors can be a game changer for your business. And picking the wrong tool is a great way to waste a lot of money and time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about both of these tools, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, and much more. For your convenience, I've included the links to both of them in the description below so you can check them out. Let's get started. Dropship Spy shines in its product discovery capabilities. It provides a well-organized interface where users can explore really potential hot products that might take off in your business. The platform offers several sections like winning products, promising products, and Instagram influencers, which provide curated insights into trending items. Users can also filter products based on specific niches, popularity, and potential profitability, making it much easier to make targeted decisions. But what about market analysis? Well, the tool offers detailed market analysis features including engagement rates, potential reach, and competition scores for each product. Dropship Spy also gives an insight into the advertising trends associated with each product, allowing users to gauge market saturation and determine the best timing for entry. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Dropship Spy provides straightforward integration options with Shopify, which I've actually linked in the description below if you want to check it out. It facilitates easy product import and listing. However, its integration capabilities might feel limited compared to some other competitors since it primarily focuses on Shopify without extensive support for other e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or Amazon. So if you are using Shopify, then you're pretty much set with Dropship Spy. What about their supplier database? Well, the platform offers a section on suppliers, including recommended suppliers for each product listed. Although it does not feature a comprehensive supplier database like some tools, it provides essential contact information and reliability ratings, which can really help in making informed supplier choices. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? So Dropship Spy includes a profit calculator with each product to help users understand potential profit margins based on cost and recommended retail prices. This feature is instrumental in making quick assessments about the financial viability of different products. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Dropship Spy has a very clean and intuitive interface. It's user-friendly and especially great for beginners. The dashboard is straightforward, and finding products or navigating through different sections is relatively seamless. What about customer support and community? Well, Dropship Spy offers customer support via email, and they have a growing community on social media platforms where users can exchange tips and experiences. While the support is reliable, it may not be quite as immediate as a lot of live chat options that some other tools provide, but they do have this chat with us where you can kind of, contact a bot and you can get some information as well. What about their pricing structure? Like how much does it cost? What does that look like? So as you can see on their pricing plans, they literally just have one pricing structure, one membership that you can get, which is called the Pro membership, and it's $39 a month. You can get the monthly subscription, or if you get the yearly one, it comes out to $119 a year, which means you're saving $350. And so you can see what's included in this subscription. If you want to try it out, you can actually use the link in the description and sign up. What about the automation features though of Dropship Spy, right? How can you use it for automation in your business? Well, the automation features in Dropship Spy are kind of minimal, focusing mainly on product discovery and analysis rather than the full spectrum of different operations that you would do in your dropshipping business, like auto ordering or inventory management. But what about their analytics and reporting? So Dropship Spy provides basic analytics related to product performance and potential market reach. However, the depth of reporting might not satisfy those looking for detailed business intelligence and advanced metrics. What about the mobile app availability? Well, currently Dropship Spy doesn't offer a mobile app, so that could be a downside for people who who want to kind of manage their business on their phone while they're on the run, but that might get added in the future. So what do users have to say overall about Dropship Spy? The user feedback is largely positive, with particular praise for the effective product scouting and the ease of use, but there are some people who complained about not having a wider platform integration and missing out on some more advanced analytics features that some other tools provide, which I've actually mentioned in this channel that you're watching. You can check out some of my other videos. Dropship Spy is a solid choice for dropshippers focused on uncovering promising products and understanding marketing trends, particularly if you use Shopify. Thieve stands out with its visually driven product discovery interface, which is particularly appealing for users who prioritize aesthetic and trending products. The platform primarily focuses on products with high potential for social media appeal and consumer interest, showcasing them through high-quality images and user ratings. However, it does lack some of the deeper filtering options that you get with other tools. Instead, focuses on simplicity and visual appeal. What about the market analysis? Well, market analysis in Thieve is somewhat limited compared to more analytical tools. It provides basic information on popularity and trends through user engagement and likes on the platform. This approach is useful for quickly gauging customer interest, but it does not offer deep dive data like competitive analysis or detailed sales projections. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Thieve offers straightforward integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products they identify on the platform. However, its integration features are not as extensive or versatile as some other tools that also support WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms. What about supplier database? Well, Thieve does not provide a dedicated supplier database or detailed supplier information because that's not its focus. It focuses primarily on product discovery from AliExpress. Users looking for an in-depth supplier vetting and relationship might not like this aspect of Thieve, but let's talk about their pricing and profitability tools. The platform includes basic tools to estimate your potential profit in your business. However, these tools aren't quite as robust or detailed as some of the more comprehensive dropshipping tools, which I've talked about on this channel in other videos, where users can adjust various costs and logistics considerations and help decide which product is better for them. As far as user interface and ease of use goes, Thieve excels in its user interface, which is clean, modern, and exceptionally user-friendly. The emphasis on visual presentation makes it really easy and enjoyable for new users to browse and select products based on visual appeal and market trends. Now, one of the most important things is customer support and community. Customer support is available through email. It might not be as immediate as platforms offering live chat support. Thieve has a growing community on social media, and it fosters a network of people who share tips and product success. So if you want to be part of a good community of people that are willing to share information with you, Thieve is a great one. Now, what about their pricing structure? Well, Thieve operates on a subscription basis with different tiers that cater to different needs depending on your user engagement. Now, they do have a free version that you can actually sign up and try out using the link in the description. But after that, they do have a pro plan that currently costs $49 a month. And so you can actually try that out for free right now using the link in the description. What about automation features? Well, automation features in Thieve are minimal, with the main focus being on product discovery rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations like automated order processing or inventory management. Now let's talk about their analytics and reporting. Thieve provides minimal analytics and reporting features. It focuses more on curation and presentation of products rather than the detailed business intelligence. Now, if you're interested in using Thieve on your phone, unfortunately they don't have a mobile app at this moment, but that might change in the future. As far as customer reviews and feedback, user feedback for Thieve is generally positive, particularly for its ease of use interface and appealing product selection, but some users do express that they'd like to to have more comprehensive features like enhanced market analysis and better integration options. Overall, Thieve is a solid option for dropshippers who prioritize a visually appealing, easy to use platform for discovering trending products on AliExpress. While it offers excellent product curation, it may not satisfy people looking for detailed analytics or extensive e-commerce platform integration. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and focus on visual discovery, making it ideal for new people that are trying dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, if you want to start a dropshipping business, then Thieve would really be a great tool that you can use to get you started. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.